5 punch combinations. These combinations are my favorite. I'm going to show you how to do them and why they're my favorite. 1, 2, drop that back foot. Hey, my name's Glenn Holmes. I'm the co-owner of the Box and Burn Academy, the world's #1 boxing fitness education course. I'm also the founding trainer here at Box and Burn in Los Angeles. Welcome to the channel. 5 punch combination number 1, the jab, jab, 2 hook 2. So we're gonna start with a double jab and we're gonna finish on the power punch, the right cross, okay? So we're gonna start with the jab, jab. Then from there, we've got 3 punches, the 2 hook 2. Nice and simple. Really pretty standard combination for 5 punches, but a great combination for drilling that double jab and ending on a power shot, the cross, okay? So jab, jab, 2 hook 2. Good. Great for developing core rotation and really shifting the weight forward and back because we're going right, left, right, left. The double jab is always a great combination to set up the power punches. In boxing, it sets everything up nicely and puts you in a good position to land your power shots. That's exactly what this combination is great for. So I'm going to catch that double jab, and from the start, I'm going to give her that right mitt so she can see the target for the power punches as well. So jab, jab, 2 hook 2. Good, and I'm thinking about being a step ahead so she can nail all 5 in a nice quality smooth rhythm, okay, and get that timing down. Jab, jab, 2 hook 2. Good, as soon as I've caught that double jab, I'm bringing the mitt round the side so she can see exactly where she needs to be for the hook 2. Jab, jab, 2 hook 2. There's combination number 1. Combination number 2 is great for drilling all straight punches. So for this next combination, we're only going to use the jab and the cross. This is great for developing full extension on the straight punches and really developing those 2 most basic punches in boxing, the jab and the cross. A common mistake with those is the elbows start to flare out. So with a 5 punch combination like this, it's great for making sure they're punching straight down that line for all 5, and then that 1, 2 is just becoming better and better over time. So for this combination, we're going to go 1, 2 to start, and then we're going to go into a jab, jab 2. All right, so she's making sure that she's keeping everything nice and long and straight, and in order to do that, I'm going to hold the mitts in the same position the whole time. I'm not going to try and meet the punches and get too wide. I want to drill good mechanics and make sure you're punching nice and long and straight down the line. So 1, 2, jab, jab 2. Good, now a little bit more snap and speed and power to it. 1, 2, jab, jab 2. Good, and again, great for finishing on that right cross and retreating right back to the stance. 1, 2, jab, jab 2. Good, nice 5 punch combination there, just using the 1 and the 2. Great for drilling those 2 straight punches. Combination number 3, we're going to add some punch variety into it. So what we're going to start with this time is the right uppercut, right? Now from there, she's going to recoil and double up that right hand and come back with a cross. So uppercut, cross. With this combination, we're also finishing on a power punch, but this time we're going to finish on the hook. So it's great for developing that technique with the left hook. So from there, we're just going to finish with a left hook, cross, hook, okay? So putting it all together, we got the uppercut, cross, hook, cross, hook. Okay, uppercut, cross, hook, cross, hook. Great for developing punch variety, shifting from right to left and finishing on that left hook, which is always not only a power punch to finish, but it's also a safe punch to finish, because as I've spoken about in previous videos, check out my other videos on the channel, I'll talk about this, the benefit to finishing on the hook, it gets the body away from the opponent too, right? And when you finish on a cross, kind of right here, you're putting yourself into range for punches, right? But if you finish on a hook, you're putting yourself away and out of danger from those counter punches as well. So it's always good to practice finishing on the hook. So one more time for this combination, we're starting with the right uppercut, then we're going to the cross, so we're doubling up that right side, and then from there, hook, cross, hook, okay? So let's put it together. Nice quick 5 punch rhythm, getting that punch variety in there. So go, under, over, bam, good. So it's under, over, hook, cross, hook, under, over, hook, cross, hook. Again, under, over, bah. Nice, good. So there's combination number 3, a great 5 punch combination for drilling that punch variety and finishing on the hook. Combination number 4, we're also going to finish on the hook again, right? This time we're going to use straight punches up top, head punches to set this one up. So we're going with the 1, 2, hook 2, right? So the 1, 2, hook 2. Great combination for beginners and people starting out with boxing. The 1, 2, hook 2. All we're going to do is add another hook on at the end. So 1, 2, hook 2, and then add a hook at the end for 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, good. Finishing on the hook. 1, 2, hook 2, hook. Nice. So it's again for the mitts, for you coaches out there. When you've caught that 1, 2, hook 2, right? The left mitt just stays in the same position for the whole combination. So as soon as that first jab's landed, this comes around the side and then it stays there for the rest of the combo. The right mitt can stay exactly where it is the whole time. So again, just as coaches, I want to remind you, try not to be meeting the punches too much and doing too much work when you're catching these longer combinations. When we start getting into 4s, 5s and building cycles and flows with the mitt work, it's really important to make sure you're standing your ground and keeping that realistic target the whole time. That's how your boxers are going to get better. So again, one more time on this next combination, 1-2 hook 2 hook. Keeping that nice narrow target. Just concentrate on the mitts for a second. 1-2 hook 2 hook. Nice, good. And again, just finishing on that lead hook, okay? All right, before we get to combination number 5, my personal favorite 5-punch combination, by the way, I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have any questions or any 5-punch combinations that you love, leave them in the comments below. I'll go and do a video on those, or if any other video requests you have, leave them in the comments below, okay? All right, so combination number 5. All right, so combination number 5, my personal favorite 5-punch combination, the 1-2, 1-2, and finishing on the left hook. I love this combination because the 1-2, 1-2 at the start right here can be nice and light and quick. You can just use that as the setup, right? You just kind of, if you were in boxing, you were in close right here, just touch, touch, touch with the gloves. 4 punches, 1, 2, 3, 4, just to kind of distract the eyes, and then bang, you can whip that hook in around the side of the gloves. Great combination because the 4 is there to set it up, and we increase that intensity and power as we go through the combination. So 1-2, 1-2 to set it up, and then again finishing on that lead hook. Always a great punch to finish on. So 1-2, 1-2 hook, bang. So feel that intensity increase as we go through the combo. So touch, 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 bang. Really sit down and turn, load everything into that hook at the end. So 1, 2, 1, 2, bang. Nice, good. And then for the mitt holder right here, I'm just touch, touch, touch with the gloves, get that mitt in place, let the boxer really sit down and drive through into that hook. Bang. Nice, good. 1-2, 1-2 hook. Good, one more. Good, perfect. All right, so a quick recap on these 5-punch combinations. So the first one we did started with the double jab, we finished on the cross. So jab, jab, 2 hook 2. Good, again. Bah, good. Combination number 2, we did all straight punches, we just used the 1 and the 2, right? So we did 1-2, jab, jab, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, again, just great for fully extending and really drilling that 1-2. And you can also use that as a speed combination. Go for speed, 1-2, jab, jab, 2. Ah, nice, good. So the third combination, we brought in that uppercut. We doubled up that right side, uppercut, cross, hook, cross, hook. Now we're finishing on the lead hook for this combination. So under, over, hook, cross, hook. Nice, good. The next one, we did a basic combination. Combination number 4, we did 1-2, hook 2, 4 punches, added on the hook at the end to, again, practice finishing on that hook and make it a 5-punch combo. 1-2, hook 2, hook. Good, again. Nice, good. And then the last one, we set up the hook again, finishing on the hook, setting it up with 4 straight punches, nice and light and quick on the 4, finish on the hook. 1-2, 1-2, hook. Good, again. Good, one more. There we go. So there's your 5-punch combinations you can practice. Leave me any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.